What's up, pretty faces? It's Milky K or Bonnie, whichever one you like. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys are okay and taking very good care of yourself during this video. Today's video is a DIY and upcycle video. Ladies, I'll be showing you guys how you can DIY and upcycle your old worn skirts. I have mine right here. I'm not actually a fan of long skirts, so that's why I'm doing this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a cute and adorable outfit out of this skirt. Yes. So I'm gonna try to make this intro very short because it's my first time doing such kind of fashion design, and I don't know how long it's gonna take me to finish this outfit. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so here is my skirt. First of all, I am going to cut it into half, but I don't want to make any mistakes, so I am going to grab my ruler and pen and draw a line in between. Okay, so as you can see, I drew a line already, but then it's so difficult for me to hold a camera and record all of this, and at the same time work on this whole DIY project thing. So yeah, it's really hard. So the next step, I'm going to cut it into half. Okay, I am not done yet with the mini skirt. I still have a lot of things to do here. So this is how the mini skirt looks like now. Okay, here is the lower part of the skirt. I am going to use it to make a bralette top. Guys, I've never done this before, so